welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a review of my Lavish Curls African Black Growth Shampoo. So I'm just showing you guys here. My hair is super dirty. It had a lot of buildup. You can see it along the edges, just crusty, and all of that gel along my hair. Like, it was rough. It was time to wash my hair. So my shampoo of choice, of course, is going to be my Lavish Curls African Black Growth Shampoo. And if you guys didn't know, this is from my hair care line, Lavish Curls Beauty. And this shampoo is made with tea tree oil and peppermint oil, which is going to help clarify, restore, and grow your hair. And of course, my shampoo is sulfate free. So I'm just starting off on wet hair. I just wet my hair outside the shower. And my shampoo does have a twist top, so you can easily just twist the top and then apply it directly to your scalp. And you're going to see as soon as it goes on your scalp, there is a very, very nice lather to it. So a lot of my customers have been telling me they love the lather on it. It's amazing. Like, it gets right into your scalp and you're going to feel it immediately start to lift and remove that buildup off of your hair. So that was one of the main things about this shampoo. I wanted to make sure it was clarifying and could remove buildup, but not leave your hair feeling stripped. I know a lot of African Black shampoos, they can leave your hair feeling really stripped and dry, but mine doesn't do that because it's also made with aloe vera juice in it. And if you guys didn't know, aloe vera juice really helps you to just retain that moisture in your curls so that you're not losing moisture. And my shampoo is for all hair types, and it is 8 ounces. So yeah, guys, like, it gets to the scalp right away. That's why I love the nozzle tip on it. I feel like that's very helpful for getting to the scalp and really getting in there and just busting and removing that buildup. Now, this is from my hair growth collection, so it helps to stimulate hair growth, of course, and it has a nice runny consistency. I know some people like thicker shampoos, but since this is more on the runny side, it penetrates the scalp faster. So a lot of my customers like that. And yeah, zero complaints, nice lather, and it really makes your curls look popping afterwards because of the aloe vera juice. Aloe vera really helps to define your curls, so you're going to see that. So some of the key ingredients are lavender oil, rosemary oil, peppermint oil. It also has coconut oil, tea tree oil, vitamin E, and of course aloe vera juice, like I said, and then African Black soap. So it's good at cleansing the hair, but also really stimulating hair growth. It's going to help to remove all that buildup, so you're starting off with a clean, healthy scalp. So after you guys see I've worked in the shampoo, I'm going to go ahead and just rinse it out with warm water. And I was striking a pose for a thumbnail real quick. Got to get those images and stuff. But yeah, you just go ahead and rinse it out, and it's going to feel so good. Like, the curls are going to be so popping, so defined, but you're going to be left with clean hair, and your hair is going to even feel a little bit stronger too, but not too strong where it feels brittle. So if you guys are interested in checking out my shampoo, I will have it linked in the description box below at lavishcurlsbeauty.com. Make sure you check out my website. And as you guys can see, after I rinsed out my hair, it was left feeling shinier, well, looking shinier and healthier, but most importantly, it was clean and not stripped. And my hair is going to get longer since it promotes growth. So check out my line, Lavish Curls Beauty, in the description box below. I hope you guys all enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.